You won't believe what people can pull off with machines that weigh hundreds of tons. Honestly, at first I thought this was a reversed video, but nope. That bulldozer is actually driving in reverse, guiding a multi-ton boulder downhill and doing it so smoothly you'd think it was gliding on pavement. Just one small mistake and that 40-ton chunk of steel wouldn't have had a second chance. Phew! Thankfully, it made it safely across the bridge. Shout out to everyone who put their trust in that engineering team. With its wheels barely touching the ground, the tractor behind still held on tight, fighting to pull the logging truck out of the mud. It's a scene that truly commands respect for the grit and determination of those working in the forestry industry. Sometimes bringing down a house only takes pulling the right weak spot, just like a game of Jenga. This is the kind of place where even GPS gives up. You'll need a heart of steel and unshakable willpower to make it through this maze. There's no need to be afraid when there are reliable partners by its side. When faced with a massive mud swamp, only beasts like the Logset 6F have the power to haul heavy timber and keep trudging forward without hesitation. "500 tons of soil might seem overwhelming, but with these 5 bulldozers, it's just a matter of rhythm before the job's done. Every bucket movement feels like a heartbeat skipped. I wonder how daring does he have to be to control that giant right on the edge like that? There's no rule that a tractor cannot straightly cross a field bank. It's just that no one's been bold enough to try it until now. A haul truck carrying a 350-ton Colossus is inching its way through a razor-tight turn in the heart of France. And it seems like it's dragging the whole town's nerves along with it. Mine too. What about you? Drop a comment if your heart was racing just like mine. No one ever imagined that one day an excavator would be sent to the bottom of the sea. And even fewer would believe someone was brave enough to sit inside and operate it.